If you're experiencing an installation loop with FIFA 24, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and get back to playing the game. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for FIFA 24. This includes checking your operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Clear temporary files. Go to your computer settings and clear temporary files. This can be done by using the disk cleanup tool or manually deleting files in the temp folder. This helps eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing the installation loop. Step 3. Disable antivirus software. Temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall software on your computer. Sometimes, these programs can interfere with the installation process. Remember to re-enable them after the installation is complete. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on FIFA 24 installation file and select Run as administrator. This gives the installer the necessary permissions to make changes to your system, which can help avoid installation issues. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the above steps do not work, uninstall FIFA 24 completely and then reinstall it. Make sure to download the latest version from a reliable source to ensure that you have the most up-to-date files. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue and enjoy playing FIFA 24. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.